the next day. I did absolutely nothing after my attempt to go to the club last night. I just came home and went to sleep. So it's 7:50 right now in the morning. I'm editing this vlog to go up ASAP. The Vlogmas day 4 I'm editing. And then I have a video for tomorrow, and then this is gonna be for Monday. I'm trying, y'all. So really, you guys, I'm not doing nothing. I know about me some tea. If you know, you know. This is my favorite tea in the world, okay? So he got me this and a parfait from Wawa. This is so good. The vanilla and strawberry parfaits, absolutely love them. I always need like 2 every time I go get one. So that's what your girl is doing right now, and I'm getting ready to get this video out. So I thought I'd show you guys that. Like I said, I'm trying to prolong these vlogs, you guys, because yeah, there ain't nothing else to do. Later on today, we are going to a little birthday party thing for Neriah's cousin, so we're gonna go do that today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I still want to get some stuff for our tree, and we need to start Christmas shopping. We need to get her a bike, but it's like hard to go Christmas shopping when she's with you. Is she gonna be with us today? I don't know. She could stay home. I don't know, but that's kind of the vibe for right now. So yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in a minute.
You be on my back like a cardigan. We be doing that, you had to evidence. You be on my back like a cardigan. We be doing that, you had to end. I'm finna stand tall in it, You be on my back like a cardigan. Call her again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you had to evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you just be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, make my taste till it pops. I thought I was a goner, pledge to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep diamond is on her. Hotter than the sauna, I met her at Salada. All her baby Prada, she popped it for the $1. Don't stick around, you should save yourself. You can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, you should save yourself. You can hit my phone if you need some help. It's all in it, I'm all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Call her again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you had the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you just be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, make my taste till it pops.
Hey vlog, what's good? What's popping? It is obviously a little bit later.
Brand new car just popped in.
I know. We are heading to Neriah's cousin's little birthday party thingy. We gotta go to the dollar store to get him a birthday card, and yeah, you guys, I really like how my makeup turned out. I went through my makeup stash and found my real good foundation. I forgot what it's called, the Maybelline one. Yeah, y'all. So that is the vibe. That is the vibe. I took a few pictures using Instagram's cameras. I always use Instagram cameras to take pictures, and I think they came cute. Oh, I got this old dusty wig out of the bag. So yeah, I found this old dusty wig in a bag that was like somewhere in my house, and I just sort of like put the blow dryer to it, and it kind of just left this, this halfway vibe, real cheap. But it looks cute. So yeah, y'all, I guess I'll see y'all in a minute. Really, we ain't doing that right now.
Thought I was a goner, pledge to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep diamond is on yourself. You can hit my phone. Need some help. You be on my back like a cardigan. We be doing that, you have to end this. You be on my back like a cardigan. We be doing that, you have to end this.
Hey vlog, what's good? What's poppin'? Obviously a little bit later today. It was just too awkward for me to vlog there. No offense to anyone was there. No offense to anyone that was there. But I just did not feel comfortable like whipping out the camera and talking and doing all that stuff. So yeah, but the party was pretty nice. Neriah enjoyed herself. We definitely enjoyed ourselves. The food was really good. So shout out to Roro for sending us and letting us come to Caden's birthday party. Happy birthday, Caden. So yeah, you guys, it is like, I want to say like 7:30 right now. And I just want to show you guys what I got from the dollar store, because I picked up some I just picked up a few things for the dollar store. I did get 2 more stocking stuffers, one for my mom, one for my brother. So yeah, I got 2 of these. I got these. Neriah picked this bow out for the top of our trees. Well, this one and the other one. So I'm gonna hang that up really quickly. I'm gonna hang out this bow. All of this came to like $8, and I was like, okay, bitch. I did end up getting a sign for the door. It's a Wonderful Life. We're gonna put that on the front door in a minute here. And oh my God, when is the last time you guys had Junior Mints? Girl, like, I don't know what made me pick a box up, but these shits are busting. And then the last thing we picked up was this mug. And girl, we was at the Dollar Tree, like the green Dollar Tree. And I got this cute little mug for $1. It's been a while since I've been in a Dollar Tree, but girl, don't sleep on Dollar Tree, okay? At all. I got this cute little mug. It was actually 98 cents. So yes, girl, for my teas. So yes, girl. I am going to be ending this vlog soon, obviously, because it's Vlogmas, so we're cutting these vlogs very short. But I am going to kind of show you guys me putting this star on the tree. Let me see if I can prop you up here. So that is this little bow. Let me turn the light on. Yeah, so that's this little tree.